Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making beef short ribs. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. You will need 2.5 pounds of beef short ribs, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Coat your short ribs with the canola oil, then set them aside until later. Now it's time to make your rub. In a separate bowl, add your brown sugar. Now add the dried mustard, cayenne pepper, paprika, and chili powder. Add the garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cumin, then whisk together until well combined. Now generously coat your ribs with the rub and place them on a wire rack. Allow your rack of ribs to sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. After an hour, remove them from the refrigerator. Then place them in your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 2.5 hours. After your ribs have been baking for 2.5 hours, remove them from the oven and generously coat with the barbecue sauce. Return your ribs to the oven and allow them to cook for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove them from the oven and now they are ready to serve. These slow-cooked short ribs are easy to make and they taste great. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos twice a week, enough to leave a pathway. At Soul